Okay, students, here are the some tips what we have to do's and don'ts in the IELTS. First of all, I'll talk about the speaking test. What you have to do and don'ts. What you have to do and avoid in the speaking. In the speaking, the things which you have to do: know the procedure, leave a good first impression, show interest in your speaking when you are giving the answer. So you have to show your interest, extend your answer. Don't give answer in one line or one word. Extend it as much as you can, and upgrade your language. Upgrade your language means you have to use different vocabulary, advanced sentences, synonyms of the word, right? Don't use similar words again and again. And the last one you have to do is practice as much as you can, because if you want to improve our speaking, then obvious we have to do the speaking more. So as much practice you will do, as much fluency you are getting. So these are some of the tips you have to do in the IELTS speaking. And now turn to don'ts. What we have to avoid in IELTS speaking: don't be quiet and not answer. Like sometimes if you don't understand the question, so we are staying quiet. Don't do that. Whatever you understand, as much as you can give the answer, at least speak something. And next one is don't give yes and no answer. As I told you earlier, extend your answer, don't give yes and no answer. Third thing is don't go off topic. Understand the question properly and give the answer according to the question. Don't say anything. Next one is don't speak very softly and or quietly. बहुत हल्का या बहुत low voice में नहीं बोलना है. You have to be confident. You have to speak louder, right? Loudly, like which shows the confidence level. Next is don't be a perfectionist. Mean don't try to be perfectionist. No one is perfect here, right? Whatever you understand, you have to give the answer. Don't try to give the answer perfectly, right? It's not it doesn't matter that you are giving the answer perfectly or whatever you are speaking. Whatever you speak comfortably, you should give the answer in a way. Next one is don't be scared. If you will be scared, if you will be afraid of something else, that what if I don't understand the question, then all and all, then this will this will reduce your confidence level. And when you are not confident, you are unable to give a proper speaking. So do these things in your IELTS speaking. And come to the IELTS writing, what we have to do and what we have to avoid. In the writing, what things we have to do: read the question carefully and do exactly what it asks you to do. You can then make a plan to help you order your ideas before you start to write. Okay. Second thing you have to do: use an appropriate format. There are many different types of question that you need to learn, and they all have different format. Third thing you have to follow in IELTS writing: mostly in writing it is asked that what is your opinion about a certain topic. In this case, make sure you make your opinion very clear throughout your essay. Fourth thing you have to do is keep it simple. The examiner know you already have 40 minutes and do expect a masterpiece. Don't overthink it. Often the best answer are the simplest one you might have seen. So do these things in your writing. And what you have to avoid in IELTS writing: don't show off, right? You are being marked on vocabulary and grammar, but that does not mean you should try to use very complicated words. If you are not 100% sure, don't use them. Okay, use the word in which you about which you are comfortable. Second thing you have to avoid: you should never try to memorize or copy answers. Your grammar and vocabulary will be good, but not your answer. If you will memorize or cram the answer, then you can go off topic. There are different type of questions we can be asked there in the questions. Third thing you have to avoid: don't overuse connectors like moreover, however. Use them in limit, not in every sentence. If you look at 9-band answer, they are rarely using them. The fourth thing you have to avoid: never write a sentence without a purpose. Each sentence has a job to do in an essay. If it does not have a purpose, leave it out. Don't use unnecessary sentences, right? So by avoiding and by using such tips, you can improve your writing and you can get better band score. So definitely this video will help you. So subscribe to this channel.